In this video, I'll show you how to watch US or American Netflix in Canada. If you're in Canada and open Netflix, you'll notice that the library is different from the US version, with many American movies and TV shows missing. That's because Netflix changes its content based on your location. The method that actually works is using a trusted VPN to access the US Netflix library. Before we get started, there's a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. It's fast, reliable, and one of the best VPNs for streaming US Netflix without issues. First, download and install NordVPN on your device. You can use this on your phone, tablet, laptop, desktop, smart TV, or streaming device. Once the app is installed, open NordVPN and log in to your account. On the main screen, you'll see a world map and a list of countries you can connect to. From the country list, scroll down or search for the United States and select it. Then tap or click Connect. Once connected, your internet connection will appear as if you're located in the US, even though you're physically in Canada. This is what allows Netflix to show you the American catalog instead of the Canadian one. Before opening Netflix, go into the NordVPN settings and switch the protocol to Nord Links. This is NordVPN's fastest protocol and helps reduce buffering, especially when streaming in HD or 4K. After switching to Nord Links, make sure the VPN is still connected to a US server. Now open the Netflix app or go to the Netflix website. Netflix will automatically refresh and load the US Netflix library. You should now see American exclusive shows, movies, and categories that were not available in Canada before. You can search for specific US-only titles or browse through the expanded catalog. If the US library doesn't show up right away, completely close the Netflix app and reopen it, or refresh the browser page. If a specific show is still missing, disconnect from the current US server and connect to another US server inside NordVPN. Sometimes switching servers helps, and NordVPN offers multiple US locations, so you can always find one that works smoothly. That's exactly how to watch US or American Netflix in Canada, and this method works reliably. Connect to a United States server using NordVPN, switch to Nord Links for the best streaming performance, and enjoy the full US Netflix library from Canada. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and unlock American Netflix easily.